It's more of breeding pa muna siya. I mean, treatment. When we say treatment kasi, it is the way the larvae are eating the waste. Ito kasi is more of a waste management eh. My name is Roland James Bayang, no? A veterinarian. Itong the black soldier fly is talagang dun na ako napunta because ito yung isang problema natin. Having my profession kasi na yun din ang gagawin ko, ang dami na dyan eh. So pumunta ka sa isang bagay na medyo konti. Wala kang kalaban. The reason why we do the beekeeping, I do the black soldier fly, kasi kung titignan mo, actually it's in demand.
Okay.
But nobody's doing it. Siguro out of 100, merong 5% who's doing it.
Okay.
So, when napunta ito sa akin, sometime 2000, siguro late 2000, actually nagkaroon ng crisis ang Baguio.
Okay.
Waste crisis, if you have learned, you have heard of that. Naisip ko kung ano yung magandang pwedeng itulong or magandang gawin. Lahat ng basura nung araw, if napunta kayo ng Baguio noon, nandyan lang sa nandyan lang sa Bayanihan. Yung nasa may Venus Hotel.
Okay.
Nandun lang yun. So, I started reviewing, started reading. Napunta sa akin itong black soldier fly.
Kaya anong year yan, Doc?
Mga 2014. 15. Since it is an insect, medyo mas madali kong mag-grasp yung niya.
Gusto mo bang matuto ng agribusiness, crops, livestock and poultry, aquaculture, at ma-inspire sa mga success stories? Agribusiness, how it works! As a YouTube channel, Agribusiness features entrepreneurs, farmers, organizations, OFWs, investors. However, beyond our usual content and official endorsements, Agribusiness does not engage in other business dealings with them. While our viewers and featured individuals and entities may choose to pursue business deals with each other on their own, we encourage them to be cautious in doing so.
Tamang-tamang nag-pandemic, walang trabaho ang lahat, pero maraming basura. So I went to Congressman Art Celeste, if you know him.
Pangasinan.
So, parang it was just a joke na kami, collaborate kami about the waste. Hanggat sa, siyempre, magkakakilala rin kasi, meron pa yung sabi niya na, sigurado ka, baka kung that's not going to, pakakain ko lahat sa'yo yan ha. That was a very, very big challenge sa akin. So I started it in Alaminos in 20.
Okay.
I started the fish feeding program in Alaminos.
Okay.
So meaning...
Sa mga fish pen?
No. Sa dagat.
Okay.
Kaya pag pumunta ka doon, pag nag-dive ka, sasalubuhin ka ng mga isda. Kasi maamo na sila.
Okay.
Even our mayor there, Art Brian, nag-dive na yun para lang humawak lang sa grabs na yan at pakainin yung mga isda sa dagat. Now, when I was awarded with the project by the Benguet State University, parang recognition to alumni na nag-excel ng, medyo nabuksan ng dito sa LGU. So, I talked to the mayor also, who happens to be a good friend of mine also. So, sabi niya, simulan mo.
Okay. But Doc James, itong facility kung asan tayo ngayon, is also a government facility?
Yeah, ganito.
Anong pangalan po itong
facility? This is the sewerage treatment plant. Ito, dito lahat pumupunta yung CR ng city.
Okay.
So, lahat ng mga CR dyan, papunta dito.
Okay.
Ito kasi kanina, ito yung pinag-harvestan namin. No? Ito, pupunta sila dito. Kaalis lang nila sayang. Then, this one is the next one that they're going to harvest. So, kung makikita nyo, it's 0. Here. Oh. Kung makikita nyo kung gaano sila katakaw, oh.
Andyan yung mga black soldier fly.
Ayan, oh.
Okay.
Tingnan mo ito. Ito, this used to be all basura. See, ito, ano nito, maasim ito. Si African Nightcrawler will not eat this one.
Ano po yan?
Mamamatay yan. Mga pomelo.
Pomelo. Okay.
So, this one. And then, here's another one. Here. And right now, pumupunta kasi tayo sa barangay. So, what we're planning to do is, have one breeding farm. And then, kung kayo yung barangay, parang gagawin nating, ano yung ginagawa nila sa manok? Parang contract growing. So, that's the plan because, honestly, I have tons and tons orders of black soldier fly. Pero the problem, I cannot...
Order for what po yan, sir?
For feeds.
For feeds.
Oo. Lately lang kasi nakagawa ako ng foliar fertilizer. Bago. I have it right now. And that's what we're trying to promote. And one way or the another, nakakatulong sila sa production. So it's parang scratching each other's back.
Sir, going back po sa black soldier fly. So itong project niya ngayon, sarili niyo to, hindi na to sa gobyerno.
No, this is government.
This is still a government.
Parang tumutulong lang ako in my own private capacity.
Okay. What particular agency ng government? Ito ng local LGU ba?
LGU.
Anong particular department ng LGU?
Okay. Kung titignan mo kasi ito magulo din supposedly it should be agriculture.
Okay.
Pero when you're doing kasi the number one here is the black soldier fly farming.
Okay.
So that is under agriculture. But doing kasi the black soldier fly, you will be needing the bio-waste.
Yes.
Which is under the waste management. Kaya I'm coming up with something na I can. That's why I said, parang mas maganda na lang i-privatize. So that I will talk to the waste management.
Okay.
And I will talk to the agriculture.
Okay.
Ganun na, yun ang nakikita ko ngayon na papunta. So, in short, hindi ka rin pwede kasing magnegosyo nito. It's a losing venture.
Why?
It's very, very expensive.
To produce.
And its operation, yes.
But the basura is there.
You're going to use this one.
What do you mean?
It's a very, very long story. Kung alam mo na ang batas, yun ang gagamitin mo. But sasabihin mong, marami, so many started the black soldier fly already.
Yeah.
Here. Pero bakit?
The whole Philippines po, marami na nagtry.
Pero bakit walang nagbibenta ng dried larvae? Tanong ko lang.
Bakit, sir?
Have you tried asking?
Yung isang puntahan ko in Zamboanga, they're growing black soldier fly for their own consumption para dun sa kanilang chicken.
Kasi mahal. There's also 4 or 5 in Davao. There are 4 or 5 in Laguna.
Yeah.
Pero makikita mo, lahat sila selling eggs. Kasi if they go this way, mahal na.
Yeah, but yes po. But para doon sa business model nila, it's effective because they don't need to buy feeds. Nakakabawas sila doon sa bibiling feeds by growing black soldier fly. Ang problema nila, ang number one problem nila, wala sila makuhanan ng basura.
My question is, why?
Very political.
See? Yun yung sinasabi ko. Alam naman natin how the government works. Merong mga ano yan. merong mga pinto.
Sir, by the way, yung show ko, it's not investigative, ba?
Oh, no. I'm just trying to be open, you know?
Okay.
I'm just trying to be open. Ako naman, ako din madaldal ako. Kasi I'm just telling the truth.
So, given that, sir,
You can just edit naman yan.
yung mga nakausap ko are private sectors na they're doing
Black
soldier fly for their own consumption. So, doon, per se, yung ginagawa nila, nakakatulong sa kanila, sa production nila ng chicken and animals. Ang number one problem nila, wala silang source ng basura. Kasi
Because they're going to pay.
Or, ang sinasabi nga, may-ari na ng basura, hindi sila makahingi ng porsyento nila sa basura.
Hindi rin eh.
Kaya hindi sila makapag-produce ng madami. But sa iyo, sa case mo, you're already working with different LGUs, no? From Pangasinan. Malalaking cities yan, malalaking towns yan.
Yun yung tanong ko, bakit hindi nila magawa yun? Naka-single out kasi sila. Hindi sila nakaganon. Being a veterinarian kasi is like this.
Yes, sir.
Sabi ko nga, when you do kasi the black soldier fly thing, is agricultural in nature.
Okay.
How about the waste management? Mawawala ka na. Ngayon, sige, gawin mo yung waste management. The problem with the waste management, malaki yan. So
Malaki.
in short, you have to compensate with the volume. Anong mangyayari na naman sa'yo sa dami ng volume? Matatambakan ka na naman ng larvae. Matatambakan ka ng eggs. Matatambakan ka ng fertilizer. Saan mo na naman dadalhin yan? So,
pero you mentioned madami kang orders na...
Yan, marami ko.
Okay.
Ngayon, with regards kasi, with the larvae,
Opo.
nag-operate na kasi ako ng feed mill.
Okay.
So, I know.
So, ginagawa mo siyang feeds.
In lieu of your fish meal.
Okay.
So, it's the same. And another one is, I will be honest with you also. Alam mo, marami nang kumukontak sa akin dito, no? In some other countries, mahal ang black soldier fly.
Yes.
Larvae. But they're being subsidized by their government, no? So, pag binenta nila yung black soldier fly nila sa isang food company, saan nila ginagamit? I'll be honest, ha? Do you have any idea? Dog food.
Dog food.
How much is a kilo of dog food? How much is a kilo of pagkaing baboy? Ang laki ng diferensya. Saan ka pupunta? At doon ka na lang sa kwan. And, mas maganda siyang gamitin sa dog food, cat food, kaysa sa baboy o manok. Because, how much? 35 kilos, 55 kilos. Magkano yung kilo ng ng dog food? 100,
Mahal,
120. So, doon sila pupunta. Yan yung mga, yan yung mga lumalaro sa utak ko ngayon. Kasi, as of now, I'm not being paid. Gumagastos pa ako. But I am really promoting it. Yesterday, I was in Pangasinan, sa Balungaw.
Oh, from Balungaw po ako.
Oh, really?
Yeah, sino kausap niya?
Natural, my classmate.
Sino?
Riza.
Okay. Sige, si Ma'am Riza. So, ano gagawin niyo sa Balungaw?
We're already having a demo.
Okay.
If you like, you can cover that also because yung tanim nila ngayon doon is being sprayed by the foliar fertilizer made out of the black soldier fly.
Yung foliar fertilizer na sinasabi niyo from black soldier fly.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then, being a veterinarian also, I am assisting them sa baka. Alam niyo yung baka nila, dami, laki.
Kay Bogs.
Sabi nga siyempre, kita kami ni Riza, sabi niya, nandiyan yung mga tao niya. Paano to, Doc? tayo ang magbarkada.
Mm.
Pero hindi na kita maharap. Yung anak ko naman ang barkada mo, sabi niya. Ikaw tumatanda, ako hindi. Bata na yung ano ko, kasama ko, sabi ko sa kanya. Oh, yeah, sabi ni Riza. So, that's what we're doing. Kahapon nasa Balongaw ko.
Oh, okay.
Bogs, si Bogs sa akin nag-ano yan.
Okay.
And then, they are starting also the coffee.
Doon na tayo sa beauty ng Black Soldier.
Okay.
Okay. Bakit po kailangan i-promote natin itong Black Soldier Fly? Ano po ang magagawa niya sa farming natin or sabihin natin business or kung ano pa yung mga functions ng Black
ganito.
Soldier Fly?
Okay. The Black Soldier Fly is the natural way of decomposing biodegradables. It's the
Yes.
most natural.
Yes.
Mapapansin mo, ang kinakain niyan is puro basura.
Yes.
And it is also well known na talagang yan microbes, protozoans, and lahat ng diseases nandyan sa basura, correct? Ngayon, pag kinain ni Black Soldier Fly yan, bakit pag inanalyze mo si Black Soldier Fly, wala yun? Do you have an idea why that?
No, sir.
Okay. Ito, pag ginawa mo yung diesel nilagay mo dyan, that is man-made, correct? The Black Soldier Fly is not. That yun yung tinatawag nilang, it is the natural way of decomposing, supposedly. Ngayon, ipapasok natin ang human intervention.
Okay.
Because this is, ito yung tinatawag natin na, can't you just imagine how God wonderfully created the world? Create ka niya, nag-create ka ng basura, nakita ng Diyos yan. Wala naman tayong mga mechanical blah 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 blah. He created the Black Soldier Fly. Ang problema, pinabayaan natin.
Okay.
Can you just imagine also that Black Soldier Fly does not have a mouth? So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka pupunta sa basura yan para kumain. Pupunta lang yan sa basura para mangitlog. Pero hindi siya papatong sa dumi. Papatong siya in a place where itatago niya yung itlog niya para hindi masira or for predators. Para pagpisa niya, babagsak agad doon sa basura. And yun yung kakainin ng larva. And then from the larva, 14 days, 15 days, pwede mo na siyang ipakain sa free-range chicken mo. The chicken that we have in Davao is 10,000.
Okay.
Ang tawag namin doon is Mount Apo.
Ano
Natural
po yan?
chicken.
Native chicken po yan?
Native, yeah.
Okay. Hindi yung mga...
Cross na yan.
Okay. Sige.
Kasi sayang, hindi ka makakapakain yung ano yan pag yan ang gagamitin mo lang. So, yan yung pinaka-importante niyan. And, it is not a disease carrier.
Okay.
That's number one. Ngayon, ano yung nagagawa niya? It has a high pH yan.
Okay.
Yung tae niya. So, ibig sabihin, pag binalik mo yan sa soil, it will be a soil conditioner. So, yan dapat ang aayusin ng mga gobyerno ngayon kasi napukpukan na ang mga garden natin ng synthetic fertilizers. So, yan ang kailangan mo. Now, papasok na naman tayo sa food security. Bumibili tayo, nag-import tayo ng fish meal. And daming basura. Ba't hindi mo na lang gawing insect meal? So, ito yung...
Sir, ang Black Soldier Fly ay nasa nature natin, sa climate natin.
Yes. It's endemic all over the world.
All over the world, hindi sa Pilipinas, hindi sa Asia?
All over the world, except North and South Pole.
Okay. So, pero iba-ibang strain yan?
No, iisa lang.
Isa lang. Okay, pero dito sa lugar natin, conducive siya?
Yeah, of course. Meron lang variations. Like, kung nandito ka sa mainit, mas madali silang makaubos ng basura.
Okay.
Siguro tatanungin mo, huwag na naman. Siyempre, kung mainit, madaling mabulok yan. The reason why, ilalagay natin sa ref para hindi masira, di ba? Kasi, itong Black Soldier Fly yan, pag they're already undergoing decomposition yung mga kinakain nila, it can go as high as 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Mainit yan. So, ibig sabihin din, if you are familiar with carbon farming, ibig sabihin niya, ini-sterilize niya yung buong tae niya bago mo gamitin as fertilizer.
Sir, i-clarify ko lang yung Black Soldier Fly mismo, hindi siya ang kumakain, kundi yung larvae niya.
No.
Yung larvae niya. Okay.
They only have 5 days to 7 days to live.
As larvae?
No, as fly.
The fly. The black soldier fly mismo.
That's the difference between the housefly. The housefly can live months.
Yung langaw.
Yung langaw. Ito, ano, and they eat, ha? Si langaw. This one, they do not.
Hindi.
They only survive for reproduction. That's their only role.
Kung naging fly siya,
Maghahanap
ang role
siya
lang
asawa.
niya, mag-aasawa lang, then mamamatay na siya. Hindi siya kakain at all.
That's their only role.
Okay.
Reproduction, yun lang.
So yung larvae, dalawang purpose, no?
It can go as high as long as 23 eating days.
Yung larvae. So kain lang siya ng kain lang siya ng kain.
Kaya kung pag binita yan, lahat yan protein ang laman.
Oo, yung may katas, no?
Patas yan.
Oo.
That's why it's a 70-80% water.
So, dalawa yung benefit mo doon. Yung larvae mismo, pwedeng source ng protein ng animals o ng isda. At yung tae niya as fertilizer.
Tatlo.
Ano pa yung isa, sir?
Your waste management.
Waste management. Sir, bigyan mo kami ng idea. Gaano ba karaming basura na kailangan natin i-decompose supposedly ng black soldier fly?
Can I just speak
Anong
of
larvae?
Can I just speak of Baguio?
Yes, sir.
Meron tayong problema dito na 200 tons a day
O biodegradable.
of biodegradable.
Wow, 200 tons.
Okay. Ko-compute ka ng pera dyan. Gusto mo mag-compute?
Sige, sir.
Let's take, for example, 10 tons lang.
Okay.
Kasi sigurado hindi nila ibibigay yung 200 tons sa'yo. Kasi nga, wala nang kita sila dyan. So, ibibigay lang nila sa'yo yung konti lang. So, binigyan ka ng 10 tons lang.
10 tons is ilang percent lang yun?
Ilang percent lang
1%
yun.
na lang?
1% lang yun. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo masisira yung, alam mo na.
Sige.
Okay. So, if you have 10 tons, 2% of that, daily ha, we're talking of daily.
Daily.
You have 20% of that larvae. So, pag 20%, that is 2 tons. 200. 2 tons times 25 pesos. Umaabot ka ng 40,000 a day.
Production mo
Yeah.
ng larvae.
Tapos, nagbenta ka ng 4 tons because it's 40%. 4 tons na
larvae.
No, fertilizer.
Okay.
Kahit nasabihin mo 10 pesos lang, that's another 45,000.
Again.
So you have 95,000
A day.
a day. Ganun lang kasimple. Pero hindi kasi madalian yan na
Yeah.
Hindi yan madalian na sistema.
So yung pinag-uusapan natin, sir, 1% lang of the basura, no? Of biodegradable.
Yes.
So,
Baguio.
Okay.
Ayun yung ginagawa
Sir,
namin
saan
dyan.
may malaking na ganito? Indonesia.
Indonesia, Malaysia, New Zealand. Ang maganda si Ohio.
Ohio.
Yeah.
States.
Yeah. Si Ohio, merong doong isang restaurant na ang pakain niya, the lobsters, the fishes, the chicken, lahat na pinapakain sa restaurant are all fed by black soldier fly.
Okay.
So, ibig sabihin, they're promoting it. It's just a matter of showing them also When we started in Agoo, ang laking naging problema dyan. Kasi, ang sinabi lang nila is the basura. Diba? Wala sa agriculture part yan Basta basura lang. The problem, hindi nila sinabi na may langaw. Ay, alam mo naman pag sinabi mo langaw. Pinatakti sila ng DNR nung araw dyan. So, it's just a matter of,
Paano nga ba
for
yan?
me, info dissemination.
Paano nga ba yan i-segregate para magkahiwala yung black soldier fly sa langaw?
Hindi papasok si langaw. Napansin mo, walang langaw.
Ano yung sinasabi niyo problema sa Agoo na langaw?
Kasi langaw The term langaw.
Akala nila yung langaw na yung housefly.
Because hindi nila alam ito. Wala tayong ganyan.
Okay.
It also happened.
So, maling information.
Maling information. Yun ang kulang natin. I experienced this in Mabalacat also.
Ganon din, akala langaw.
Pinuntahan kami. No? Pinuntahan talaga kami ng DNR. pinuntahan kami.
Pero supposedly DNR, alam naman niya dapat yan.
Ikaw nang sasagot dyan, huwag ako.
Okay.
Ikaw nang sasagot dyan, hindi ako. Kasi baka sumobra yung sagot ko dyan, may matamaan na naman.
Hindi, akala kaya siguro pumunta kasi akala ang chismis langaw. Pagdating naman siguro ng DNR, alam naman niya siguro na Black Soldier Fly yun. Hindi rin niya alam.
Biglang pagpunta ni DNR doon, ay ma'am, nandito pala yung hinahanap natin, nandito pala sa ating bayan. So, the turn of events, bumaliktad. Si DNR na ang nagpo-promote.
Okay.
To be in fairness din. The EMB Baguio is very very dito sa project na ito.
Okay, sir. Sir, anong future ng Black Soldier Fly?
In what way?
Marirealize ba natin yung potential niya na mapapakinabangan natin talaga siya?
It will be very very slow.
How slow?
Una, sabi nga natin, maraming madi-displace dito na komisyon eh.
Sir, wag na natin pag-usapan.
No. Hindi. I'm just telling this to you.
Okay,
kasi
sige,
you can
sige.
edit na naman yan.
Oh, sige,
pero
sige.
just to have you an idea.
Alright.
And I'm just telling this. Kasi nga, with regards to the protein, with regards to what, napakaganda.
Okay. So,
pero gaya what I'm doing,
Oh.
hindi ako natutulungan.
Okay. So, the reason why very slow despite of yung malaking potential,
the acceptance,
because may mga problema doon sa bureaucracy. Ganyan. Okay.
That's the exact word.
So, pag wala na yun, wag na natin siyang ungkatin.
Pag wala yun,
yung talagang
maganda yun.
Yes, sir.
Can I just, may tama kasi.
Ayun, sige, sir. Apo. Wag lang yung, sir, yung plate number.
Wala akong pakialam dyan. Alam nila lahat yan. Ako, hindi ako, I'm very, very offended.
Sige, Doc. Sige, Doc.
This one, nakakatulong sa basura. Yung sinasabi mo, nakakatulong ka sa mga hayop mo. It will lower your cost. Pero you're working on basura. Sino may gusto niyan? Wala. I'm one of the stupid person na dapat polar ang trabaho mo. Ay, dito na lang ako sa basurahan. May sasakyan naman ako, may motor ako, I'm happy. Kahit na sabihin nilang bakit ka naging basurero. So what? It's just a matter of people na may passion talaga sa basura. Ako, I don't know if I mentioned you about my 5K.
5K?
Yeah. Kalinisan ng kapaligiran para sa kalusugan at kabuhayan tungo sa kaunlaran.
Wow.
Yun yung sa akin. Kung titingnan mo yun, you will be going straight.
Yeah.
Kaso putol-putol eh.
Okay.
Ilan lang gusto.
So, matagal, sir, no? Matagal pa bago natin ma-eliminate lahat ng problema na yan. Sir, given na natanggal na natin lahat ng problema, gaano kalaki na negosyo ito?
If we're talking of negosyo, this is malaki. And that's where I'm entering right now.
Okay.
Malalaman na lang yun sa susunod na kabanata siguro. Because
invite mo ako, sir, ha? Because laki-laki na.
Because
yung negosyo,
you know what? I started from very small.
Okay.
And I started yung small scale, medium scale, and then now large scale. And I'm going the bigger picture.
Okay.
Lahat yan from the very beginning, iba ang management.
Okay. Sir, can you put a figure how much pag nakuha natin talaga yung perfect, yung wala na yung mga nag-stumble sa atin along the way?
Sabi ko nga, for example, let's take Baguio. Who has a calculator?
Okay.
200 tons,
just
ilang
for
kilo?
Baguio, ha? Baguio is not the biggest city anyway.
200 tons, how many kilos is that?
200 tons.
1,000 kilos.
Times 20%.
40,000.
Kilos.
Yes.
Times 25.
Times 0.25. Times 25.
Times 25 pesos.
1 million.
Hindi 1 million ka araw-araw?
Araw-araw.
Basura.
And
Basura.
that's just
ng
1% of the basura
Oh,
no, ang
oh.
binigay sa'yo.
Oh.
So, the other 99%, kung maku-convert mo lahat yon,
That's
so
how big it is.
Ilang milyon po yan.
Kasi ganito yan eh.
100,000 is the whole po.
20% is the larvae.
Okay.
40%
Is the
is
fertilizer.
the fertilizer. So, in short, kung titignan mo yung figures na yun, saan pumunta yung 40%? Kung makikita mo yun yung na-dry up na tubig niya, in-weight niya. So, meaning, walang bababa dun sa ilalim na, hindi ba, binabawal ni EMB ang ano ngayon, yung basurang hinahalo. Nakakitinig kayo ano?
When, sir?
Di ikot ko dangay. At tinagti ko ha?
Natawa ko dun sa accent ni Sir ng Ilocano. Ilocano talaga.
Siyempre, pag inano mo yan, there is the danger of the leachate going to these water streams. That's the danger. Kaya nga DNR EMB here in Baguio is very, very strict on that. The hotels along Ligarda. Ang
The
basura
hotels,
niyan,
ano?
200, 300 kilos isa. Ilang hotels na dyan, mahigit 10. Can you just imagine that? Kung yan, 200, meron kang kulang-kulang 2 tonelada araw-araw.
Let's start from there.
That's a good start.
Yeah. Can you get the basura directly to the hotels? Hindi na doon sa LGU.
Hindi na.
Diretso na.
Kasi umiiyak na sila eh. Hindi na kaya ni LGU.
Okay.
That's the opportunity.
There goes your opportunity.
Okay, may opportunity pala.
Kasi
okay.
yun yung tinatawag na opportunista ka ngayon. In a good way. Oh, hindi.
Okay.
Di ba, nagbigay na sila ng ano dyan, ng, ano tawag, we do not call that memo eh. Yung, ano that? Batas or something?
Law.
Ang tawag yun? Hindi.
City
Ordinance.
ordinance.
The city will no more longer collect your bio waste.
Sabi ni City.
Sabi ni city.
Oh.
Oh, that's the, hello, Brahman. Ganun lang.
Doc, closing natin, message mo naman sa audience natin, paano natin sila i-encourage na on their own little way, no? Baka may kanya-kanyang malilit na basura nila sa bahay. If they can also practice black soldier fly farming, let's say, kahit man lang sa sarili niya basura.
Okay, one kasi, no, siguro ang may ano lang natin. One is, you really have to, may advice, no, sa mga tao.
Yes, sir.
Kasi as of now, ang acceptance nila kasi sa black soldier fly, napakapangit. So, siguro ang isang magandang gawin nila ngayon is to really know and have a solution doon sa waste nila. And then alam naman natin na black soldier fly is a solution. They read on the black soldier fly. That's the only way eh. Kasi kung minsan talaga, ang dami ko na nakakausap sa 10 pa lang, negative na, 8 na eh. So, face it na isa puso ninyo kung ano yung pinakamaganda ninyong gawin sa basura. Not just throw it eh. Maraming tayo dyan, throw it lahat. So this is the time, if you need our help, the Doc Brahman Agritech will always be here to assist. No? That's why, ang ginagawa ko na rin, I went already to the school, to the academe, para yung info dissemination.
Okay.
Would you believe na until now, it's my 7th, 8th year info dissemination pa rin. But I have cities or areas na malaki na ang operation ko sa black soldier fly. That's the only, siguro, we think of a solution on our bio waste.
Yeah.
Kasi yun ang wala sa atin. Kasi alam natin, nagbabayad naman kami kay city, kukunin yan. Let's not think that way.
Doc James, sa mga interested na matuto, pwede ka ba nilang lapitan?
Yeah, sure. Kahit saan naman, actually right now, ang mga pumupunta sa akin ngayon, nagmamasteral na sa akin.
Okay.
Kasi they're all graduates of YouTube University. So, doon kasi, mahirap sila doon eh. So, pagpunta nila sa akin, wala akong tinatago. Because, kahit na maglabas ka ng 5 o 10 Doc James, nagagawa niyan, hindi mo kaya ang basura ng Pilipinas.
Hindi mo kayang ubusin.
Hindi mo kaya.
Huwag kang maging greedy.
Don't be, Don't be greedy.
Doc James, contact details mo naman, sir.
Yung Facebook ko, tatlo-tatlo na kasi puro puno.
Gawa ka ng page mo para hindi napupuno.
Actually, sa totoo lang, hindi ako marunong kasi.
Okay.
Makita nyo, ang dami kong ano na ganito.
Okay, sir.
You can just reach me sa Doc Brahman Agritech.
May contact number ka, sir?
Yeah.
Pwede mo ba i-share?
Of course. Puro 0917-817-1666. Pero be sure to text me first because I do not answer direct calls kasi
ngayon po butit na sabi ni Doc yan. Right now hindi advisable kasi na for us na sumasagot ng phone calls kasi ang daming scam. So the best thing talaga ay mag-text muna kayo.
Yeah.
Magpakilala muna kayo and then
magre-return call naman ako agad.
Call.
Especially if it's black soldier fly, coffee, honey.
Yes.
Yung bago ko, mayroon akong yamang bukid.
Yan. And sabi mo, sir, yung meron kang foliar fertilizer.
And that's included in the black soldier.
Oo. Sir, na-mention mo yung honey. May na-amaze ako doon sa States, yung isang kabuhayan nila sa honey.
Yeah.
More than the honey.
Okay.
Pinaparent nila yung honey bee sa mga orchard.
Farmers.
Yeah.
Do you know why? Do you know why? It's because of the pollination.
Yeah.
Kasi when you have a pollination, maganda yung shape ng bunga.
Mm-mm.
Mas marami because that is kasi it's like human. Babalik tayo sa sa tao. We have ang tawag ito. Pwede ba sabihin?
Yes,
sex.
Mm.
So with the plants.
Mm.
Yun yung parang nila. Sexual activity nila, the transfer of the the pollens. And di ba sa tao, you have the sperm, you have the eggshells. It's just the same. Kung minsan I exaggerate yung experience with the human nga kasi mas maiintindihan nila eh. Magigets sila kaagad. Kasi sabi ko nga, ano ba ang gusto ni black soldier fly lang? Ano ba ginagawa nila pag nabuhay? Wala, talap-talap lang. O alam mo na paano talap-talap. Then dead. Yun lang.
Okay. Doc James, maraming salamat po. Marami kami natutunan ngayon, Doc. Yeah. Pasensya na dahil ang aking show ay hindi political, hindi it's more on giving information and good vibes to our subscribers.
I just give you some you can just edit kasi sabi ko nga lahat kasi bibigay ko. Hindi ako nagtatago. I'm just honest to goodness ako. Mag-edit kayo kung gusto niyo. Kung ayaw niyo, okay din sa akin, wala akong problema diyan.
Isangag mo tapos pakain mo sa aso, pwede ba yan?
Hindi, kainin mo na lang.
Pwede siya makain.
Meron ako chicharon.
Ayoko.
Hindi, sa totoo lang. Siguro, pag yung buhay at kinain mo tumulo dito, parang yun. Pero pag yung chicharon, when we had our fair trade...
Kinain nyo?
Fair.
Kinain nyo?
Nung una ko nandyan, dyan sa Malcolm Square, kasi ganun yung mga tao. Bandang hapon, napuno ng mga istambay dito, lahat may gin. Ginawang pulutan.
Agribusiness merch is now available on Shopee and Lazada. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.